Number 28 ku section 3.2 umbuzo wethu olandelayo. Sicelwa ke lapha ukuthi sithole i-derivative ka y lena esinikezwe yena. Lapha ke sizothatha ngokuthi u-s i-independent variable yethu, u-y is the dependent variable yethu, u-k i-constant. So sizothola ke lapha sithola u-dy ds. Uma sifuna u-dy ds siyabona ukuthi indlela engayo le function lena i-quotient ngoba kune function engaphezulu and then kuphinde kube na function engaphansi kuyi-quotient. Ngakho ke sizosebenzisa i-quotient rule. Sizokhumbula ke ukuthi i-quotient rule ithi i-derivative ka u over v u prime v minus uv prime divided by i-square sika v ku denominator. Sesiyabuka ke i-numerator yethu u1, so sibuka ke i-derivative ye-numerator yethu, i-derivative ye-constant u0, ngakho ke sino 0 la, and then sithi minus, sithi u1 i-numerator, i-derivative ye-denominator. Sesibuka ke i-denominator, i-derivative u1, and then plus k, then i-derivative ka e to the power s with respect to s, e to the power s. And then si-divide ke nge-square se-denominator. Then singa-simplifya kalula, ngaphezulu kuphuma u-minus 1 minus k e to the power s, ku-denominator kusala u-s plus k e to the power s squared.